G'day guys, YouTubers, pressure cleaners, soft washers. Our next trailer mount system, and this is going to RB Solutions, Roy and the gang, addition to their business. So look those guys up, house washing, soft washing, pressure cleaning, hard surfaces, soft surfaces, those guys will be able to sort you out. Just wanted to run you through this pressure cleaning, soft washing trailer. We have 200 litre water tank, 100 litre SH tank, 2 soap tanks feeding our soft wash gear, which is mounted in the back. If you haven't seen our chemicals, do check them out online. You can pick up on the sticky blue, the house wash, the neutralizer, the true blue, and the fragrances bubblegum, which are going to hit the market very, very shortly. But let's walk you through this particular system that's been tailored to suit a business. 4,000 psi, 15 litre a minute pressure cleaner. So that's going to enable some hard to soft rinsing of your soft wash application or doing hard and soft surfaces. We have a 32-foot hydrocarbon fibre pole. So the customer, my customer, is going to be able to carry out spot-free rinse of your windows post house wash, building wash, facade cleaning. A couple of hose reels to suit, 50 metres to supply the DI tank, and a 30 metre hose to allow a permanent top up through a float valve of your 200 litre water tank. We have our 18 volt lithium ion 34 litre water tank, and in these cases it's going to be used for chemical application, for some degreasing, a bit of hellfire, a bit of true blue. Coming from the pressure cleaner, we have our hose reel, so sitting on the back. So even though it's a portable mounted pressure cleaner at 4,000 15 litres a minute, and all these systems can be seen on our website under bluetongueindustries.com.au. and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. You can check out all our genres on YouTube and see all the parts that we're talking about today. So hose reel on the back, which is plumbed directly into the portable pressure cleaner. So that pressure cleaner is going to be strapped in and hopefully in a majority of cases not move from its current position. If you haven't seen our hose from Blue Tongue Industries, so this is 350 psi rated at a PVC for our soft washing. So designed to be able to handle the pump in this particular system, as well as the P40 Honda Comet, which you can see just inside the shop there. So all the added accessories that we've added in with this particular soft washing kit or setup, powered by Midwest, and we'll take a look at the proportioner shortly. But you might be asking, where's the pump? So the pump has been cleverly hidden under a table or a false floor. So 24 volt, just under 40 litre a minute at 100 psi is the Everflow pump, powered by two 120 amp hour deep cycle batteries and the 24 volt charger, which is going to be plugged in as required to keep those batteries topped up. 16-inch surface cleaner, so if you're doing those small driveways, decks, that'll couple quite well to the 4,000 15 litre a minute pressure cleaning system. So the hose is going to 5/8 diameter, 16 mil, is going to allow for the flow. So the 24 volt soft wash pump, the brains behind the unit and powering it, and the mixing is the proportioner from Midwest. So on this particular system, we're running the XL. So the XL is 3/4 valves. We have 2 soap, a water in and a chem in. Most important is our flush valve. So the flush valve mounted here on the side of the trailer is going to allow a selection of water or a selection of sodium hypochlorite into the chemical valve, which will allow for a rinse in those applications, or most importantly, allow for a flush of the pump and a flush of the valve. The 2 soaps, 2 25 litre soap tanks. So one could be a mixture of our house wash, which in an 18 litre of water in that 25 litre container litre and a half of Softwash, 500 mils to a litre of sticky blue will be our soaps and surfactants to supplement the sodium hypochlorite with our building facade washing. The second tank could be a chemical of choice, ideally suited to our True Blue, which is our general purpose heavy duty degreaser. The Hellfire, which is our caustic kick-ass degreaser, would most preferably be sprayed from our portable trolley system. I'll give you a couple of action shots on the 24 volt and we'll do some distance shots and we'll go from there. So we just fired up the 24 volt system. So in this particular J-rod we have a 300, 400 and 500 pencil jet and a fan jet. It is blowing a little bit there and you can see on the flag there, but we'll go for a distance shot. And that's, to be honest, assisted by wind. And that is our 500 nozzle. So the 24 volt with the wind, and you can see the flag there blowing. You can see the flow there. We don't have any detergents in this particular system, but I just wanted to give you an interpretation on the 24 volt system. So if we flick over to a 400 nozzle, and that's a 400 pencil jet. A little bit more overspray, but still for a commercial application, double story, single story, and pushing 3 stories, we're just up over 9 meters there, is going to be substantially adequate. And that's our 300 pencil jet. You can hear the pump there from a flow perspective. We're starting to restrict flow so we can get a little bit more height, but the pump likes to breathe because it is flowing through the 3/4 valves and our 5/8 hose. The hose has been very well received, so it was custom built for us here in Australia. Comes in 50 metre lengths, and for those few operators that have had to so far extend beyond that, we've added in extensions as quick plug and play to be able to extend beyond that 50 metres of hose reach in length. I hope this has been a bit of a good overview of what we do here at bluetongueindustries.com.au. You can see all this on our website under that domain, bluetongueindustries.com.au. Do check out all our Softwash solutions and chemicals which have just hit the market over the last few weeks. The bubblegum fragrance masking agent is going to be an absolute pearler for the industry. New fragrance, which I'm sure through the product testing that's been carried out over the last few weeks, is going to be very, very well received. The True Blue is going to knock the socks off everyone. The way it works, the bite that it has, and the ability to spray everything. So if we're doing commercial restaurants, service stations, concrete, no matter what the surface, the True Blue is going to be for you. The Hellfire degreaser, if you've got to pull oil or grease out of concrete, there's nothing going to be better. It is going to knock you for 6. We appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.